In this video we are going to change the particulate matter sensor on a VW Tiguan II. First we use the OBD2 diagnostic tool to read out the fault codes. In this case P24C6 and P24C7 came up. Next step, we lift the car on one side, then we see this plastic cover under it. We can lose this plastic cover. The cover is fixed with 10mm bolts and back and front with Torx screws. Once the cover is off, you see the particulate matter sensor and you can follow the cable, and there you see the control unit. To remove the control unit, you need a needle nose plier and push in these two noses. You do that twice in the front and in the back, and then you can remove the control unit. Next step, you need to pull out the plug. First you need to pull this safety pin and then you push it down, and now you can remove the plug. Then I remove the cable from these metal clips. Once it's removed from all clips, next step I gonna spray WD-40 to the sensor, and then I'm gonna heat up the sensor. That makes it much easier to remove. I use a 24mm spanner to remove the sensor. Once it's loose, I use a rag to remove dirt to make sure nothing comes into the exhaust pipe. Now the sensor can be removed easily. In the meantime, after the new sensor arrives, I will cover the hole with some tape to make sure no dirt drops into the exhaust pipe. On the side you can see the VW part number and also the Bosch part number. You can use the Bosch part number to search online for your spare sensor.